New York Summer Dream. Anna was 19 years old. She had lived in a small, bright apartment in the Upper West Side of New York City for 2 years. She loved the city, but she loved the calm of Central Park more. It was her quiet place. Every Tuesday, if the weather was nice, Anna walked to a special, quiet green bench far inside the park. It was a beautiful, sunny day.
Anna wore her favorite bright yellow summer dress. The color was like the sun. Anna was reading a thick, old book. The book was about 2 adventurers in a boat. The book was very heavy, and she held it carefully. She felt happy, quiet, and peaceful on her bench.
A young man, also 19, was running near Anna's bench. His name was Liam. Liam was an art student living in a busy downtown dorm. He often ran in the park to clear his mind before a long day of painting. Liam usually listened to fast music when he ran, but today his headphones were quiet. He was thinking about a painting project. He needed to find a new, strong color for his new art. Liam saw Anna. She was focused completely on her book. The sunlight made her dark, long hair shine like a beautiful black river. Liam stopped his run. He thought, her focus is a new, strong color. He stood still for a moment. He decided to walk, not run, closer to her bench.
Liam slowed down, walking slowly on the stone path. He wanted to say hello, but he did not know how to start. He looked at Anna, and then he looked at his shoes. Suddenly, his foot hit a small, hidden rock. The rock was flat and gray, hard to see. "Watch out," Liam said quickly, but it was too late. He lost his balance for a small moment. The heavy book in Anna's hands slipped down from her lap. It fell onto the soft green grass with a quiet sound. "Oh no," Liam said, feeling very bad about the accident. He quickly bent down. He picked up the big book immediately. The book's corner was a little dirty from the ground. Liam held the book and looked at the small, dirty mark. "I am so sorry, Anna. I am so clumsy. I did not see the rock. I am very sorry for your book." He handed the book back to her. Anna looked at the book, then at Liam's worried face. She laughed softly, a bright, friendly sound. "It's okay, Liam. Please, do not worry. This book is very old and very strong. It falls every week. It is a very big, heavy book." Liam felt better when she laughed. Their hands touched for a short, warm second as she took the book. He felt a small, quick electric feeling. "My name is Liam," he repeated, smiling widely. "I was running, and now I am stopping. What is the name of this important book?" Anna closed the book and looked up. Her eyes were large, brown, and very friendly. "I am Anna. The book is called Ocean Journey. It is an old story about 2 very good friends who travel the world to find a happy island." Liam liked the sound of her name. He sat down on the empty side of the bench next to her. "I love old stories like that. I live near here, and I am studying art at NYU.
Anna smiled and nodded her head. "I am studying music at Juilliard. We are both 19. We are both very busy New York students." Liam laughed easily at the idea of being busy students. Yes, we are very busy, but maybe we can be busy together? For one small, fun hour of coffee and no books. Anna looked at her simple watch. It was a silver watch. That sounds wonderful, Liam, Anna said immediately. I always need time for a little fun between my classes. Liam took a small black notebook and a blue pen from his running bag. He wrote his phone number. He tore the page out carefully and gave it to her. Do you like coffee? I know a very small, bright coffee shop. It is near the park entrance. It makes the best, coldest iced coffee in all of New York. Here is my number. Please text me your favorite color, Anna. I will buy you a beautiful ceramic coffee cup that is exactly that color. Anna took the small paper. She held it tight in her hand. She looked at the blue pen he used. It's blue. My favorite color is a bright, deep blue. Liam smiled. Perfect. I will see you soon, Anna. They waved goodbye, and Liam felt lighter than before. 2 days later, Anna was very excited. She dressed quickly and walked to the small, bright coffee shop. The shop was busy and happy, full of talking people and the sound of coffee machines. Liam was sitting at a table near the big front window, waiting patiently. He was wearing the same light blue shirt. In front of him, there was a bright, beautiful ceramic coffee cup. It was a perfect deep blue color, just like the summer sky. Anna stopped at the table. Hello, Liam. I am here. Liam stood up quickly. Hello, Anna. I found the perfect blue cup for you today. It was difficult to find the right blue, but I did it. Anna laughed and sat down immediately. It's beautiful. Thank you, Liam. This is the sweetest thing. Liam ordered 2 cold iced coffees and a small, fresh chocolate cake. New York is the best place for sweet things and new friends, he said. They started talking easily about their studies and dreams. Anna spoke about the beautiful, complex, and sometimes sad sounds of the piano pieces she was learning. Music is like the air you breathe, she said. Liam spoke about the bright, strong colors and large shapes in his paintings. Art is like a loud, happy voice, he explained. I love the color blue and yellow. They talk to each other. Anna nodded her head seriously. Music and art are very similar, Liam. They are both about feeling, about sharing a story, and about making the world a little brighter. I agree completely, Liam said, stirring his coffee. I want to paint the feeling of a big orchestra. The sound is so big and powerful. It is very difficult to put that sound on a flat canvas. He made a face showing his difficulty. Anna smiled brightly and put her blue cup down. And I want to write a piece of music about a very colorful painting. That is also very difficult. It is a big challenge. They both laughed again, understanding each other's artistic struggles perfectly. They felt very comfortable, very open, and very connected. When the clock said 5 o'clock, the sun started to get low in the sky. They left the coffee shop and walked together out of the park. They walked all the way to the Brooklyn Bridge. It was a long, interesting walk. The sky was changing colors, moving from bright orange to soft pink and then deep blue. The sun looked like a giant orange ball. They looked at the tall, famous buildings of Manhattan. The buildings looked like glass and light. The city is so big and full of thousands of people, Anna whispered. It feels like 100 different worlds.
Yes, Liam agreed softly, but he was looking only at Anna's face. He smiled a warm smile. But we are together now. When I look at you, the big, busy city suddenly feels small, quiet, and safe. It is just you and me and this beautiful view. They stopped in the middle of the long, famous bridge. They stood and looked at the amazing sunset over the dark river. The moment was very quiet and felt very important. Liam slowly, carefully, took Anna's hand in his hand. His hand was warm and strong.
They stood there for a long time, watching the final colors disappear. "Will you come here again tomorrow, Anna?" Liam asked very softly, still holding her hand tight. Anna squeezed his hand back, sending a clear message. "Yes, Liam, I want to see this beautiful sunset again, but I only want to see it with you." Liam smiled, the happiest and brightest smile she had ever seen. They walked back from the bridge very slowly, talking and laughing easily about everything. The large, fast city of New York felt small, warm, and happy around them. They both knew this was the start of a wonderful, long New York summer dream.